Hello everyone! Have you ever wondered why your hot and sour soup turns out cloudy and doesn't taste good? Today, I'm going to share with you the correct way to make hot and sour soup. The method is very simple. The egg stays whole, the soup is fresh and delicious, and the sour and spicy flavors are appetizing. When it's cold, making a pot of this soup will warm you right up. Let's see how I make it. First, we prepare a large green onion and cut it. Slice it into thin strips. After slicing, place them on a plate for later use. Cut a few sprigs of cilantro into sections. Take a sausage and slice it into pieces. Then cut those pieces into thin strips. Tear an appropriate amount of dried seaweed into small pieces. Add a suitable amount of sun-dried shrimp and set aside for now. Next, crack a fresh egg into a bowl. Use chopsticks to beat it thoroughly. Prepare 10 grams of fresh ginger, crush and mince it. This will make the hot and sour soup even warmer. After chopping, place it on a plate for later use. Slice an appropriate amount of green onion to enhance the aroma of the soup. Add a small amount of dried chili segments. Next, add a little oil to the pot. Once the oil is hot, add the green onion and stir-fry the dried chilies until fragrant. Stir-fry the chopped green onion until it turns slightly yellow. This will give the hot and sour soup a richer onion aroma. After it's fragrant, while the pot is still very hot, add more than half a spoonful of aged vinegar. Let the vinegar evaporate rapidly. This is what gives the hot and sour soup its strong vinegar aroma. This is also the secret to why restaurant hot and sour soup tastes so good, so be sure to remember it. Then add an appropriate amount of water. Turn the heat to high and bring it to a boil. Once it boils, cook for 2 more minutes to bring out the aroma of the green onion, ginger, and dried chili. When it's done, remove the solid ingredients from the pot. Now start seasoning. Add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of chicken bouillon. Add a suitable amount of light soy sauce to enhance the flavor. Add a generous amount of ground pepper. Stir everything well with a spoon. After it comes to a boil again, add an appropriate amount of cornstarch slurry to thicken the soup. Be sure to add the cornstarch slurry in small amounts and multiple times so you can better control the thickness of the hot and sour soup. Just like this is perfect. Next, drizzle the beaten egg into the pot in a thin stream. Gently stir the mixture with a spoon, and you'll get beautiful, delicate egg ribbons. Then, add all of the freshly prepared ingredients into the pot, and gently stir them well with a large spoon. Alright, pour it into a bowl. A delicious hot and sour soup is ready, tangy, spicy, and appetizing. The more you drink, the warmer you feel. One pot is never enough. If you like it, be sure to save this recipe and give it a try.